Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to take you on a quick tour of some do-it-yourself work I did on scenery. I know I'm busy working away my pile of shame, but this small project is something that I just couldn't not do, if that makes any sense. So I found these two medicine bottles, empty medicine bottles in the trash, and I got to work on them. So first I peeled off all the paper, I cleaned them up, and then I got my best friend, my glue pistol, and I glued them together. After that I used some old straws to put some piping on them, and then I got to base coating them. I base coated them black, and then I did a quick dry brush with metallic. I gave it a base, sanded the base, and now I had something that looked like containers for something. With some glue I added some spillover that I painted, and I colored some warning labels to put on them. And now I have some leaky toxic containers to use in Warhammer 40,000. Really quick project. I was done in, I don't know, a couple of hours, and I think it looks not great, but it looks very okay on the battlefield. So that's it for this scenery. Back to working, back to painting away my grey pile of shame. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more painting or more DIY, just subscribe to the channel and I'll see you real soon. See you later.